Psychology matters because it has the ability to change lives, and therefore it has the ability to change your communities, your societies, and your nation. My name is Dr Ndidi Boakye. I'm a consultant clinical neuropsychologist. There are multiple needs when you're working as a neuropsychologist. The biggest one often is for individuals are, how can I return to my life as it was? And the biggest need there is to support them to adjust to a different life. So it may not be the life that they used to live in, but it's still a life of purpose. They still matter. The biggest need that people come to me to is how they can find a new normal after having such a life-changing event through a brain injury or a stroke or a neurological condition. As a psychologist, my role is to apply, whether it's CBT or acting commitment therapy, to help them to really come to terms with their new self and find purpose in their new life. Recently, I was at a conference and I heard someone say, Dr. Ndidi, do you remember me? And, to my surprise, it was a gentleman that I had the privilege of treating about 10 years ago. And he had had a stroke and he didn't know what he was going to do with his life. But here he was working at the conference as a director for a charity. And it was so pleasing to me to see him in his new role, finding purpose. And that was just wonderful. I often say I'm a doctor of the hearts and minds, and what I mean by that is that my initial core profession teaches me to draw people out, to really center on what the barriers are to their everyday life. And I would say the mind, because I'm a trained neuropsychologist, and so I understand the mechanism as to how the brain works and functions. What makes me proud about being a psychologist is the difference we make to individuals' lives, but the lives of their families, but also how our research can push forward frontiers in how people think in their day-to-day world. And that's never been so important as it is in today's day and age.